Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, guys, I want you to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love that. And also follow us on Telegram, guys. If you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section and follow us on Telegram. Now, let's do a top-down analysis on what we will be expecting on Euro JPY for this week. So I want you guys to actually pay attention to this because I will do in-depth analysis on what you should be expecting on EURJPY, so you will not miss the move on EURJPY. But before that, we are now offering this online mentorship that you all have requested for, especially those of you that would be requesting for this online mentorship. We've now put out some courses together, put out some things to get together, so you will be able to learn. There on that mentorship, there are a lot of things you have to learn, right? From analyzing charts as like a pro. The way that I'm analyzing this chart for you guys, you'll be able to learn how to analyze it properly, and you will also learn the price actions, key levels you should know, also strategies that works on JPY PS. If you trade beats GBP JPY or Euro JPY, you will learn the strategies that work best on it, the psychology on it, right? Also, if you trade beats Nasdaq 100, gold, WTI, or any other currencies, you will also learn how to trade it. Also, fundamental, we will look at the fundamental aspect of this, the technical, the sentimental aspect of this, right? Especially if you trade JPY PS. The indicator that works best on JPY PS, right? There's a specific indicator that you can use, right? This will guide you, by the way. Also, chart pattern, the best, most common pattern that works very well, that you can easily spot and you can watch out for and know what it will happen next. The risk management, trade management, everything will be offered for, everything will be taught for just $100. So you can actually subscribe and learn everything within a month or 2 months, maximum a month or 2 months. So that is exactly what you'll be learning. And if in case you're interested in high probability trade setup, you are interested in that, then you can join. You will find the link in the comment section also to that one, because VIP trades setup, which is just 20 USD, while the mentorship is 100 USD. So you can subscribe and you will get access to this our content there. Now back to this our analysis on EURJPY. So let's start with this move. Let's start with this this move, like I'm saying here, is around 11th of February 2022. We'll start with the first impulse move to the upside, right? This is the pullback. Now this is a new higher highs, right? Then here comes the new higher lows. Here we can see this to be as the higher highs here, right? This is the higher lows, right? This is also the higher highs. Then let's start from here. Higher highs here, higher lows. This is an higher highs. Guess what? You can see that this is an higher highs. So anytime soon, guys, watch out for it. Higher lows is going to be playing out very, very soon. We just need a confirmation. There's every possibility that this higher lows, which will be a pullback, will play out this week. There is possibility it will play out this week, but you need a confirmation before you do anything. If you are expecting markets to do whatever thing, right, you must get a confirmation before you go ahead and do it. Don't just say, okay, I expect markets to give us a pullback, then you go ahead and start selling. Definitely no, it is not, because market is very much like to push up a bit before it starts selling that we predict for. So we need a confirmation. That should now take us to the daily time frame on Euro JPY. So we can see that this is a massive movement here, and this is a pullback. We can see it. Now market is now giving us this bullish move. You can see, like I said, we will be expecting a drop, but now that this price is giving us a pullback, so this is why we need to be very, very careful. Do not go ahead and sell. Now this is now on the 4 hour time frame, and we can see that there is kind of like a change of character. No, change of character means a reversal move. I mean, this is one here, this is the higher lows here, this is a new higher highs, this is drop. This should be the higher lows, but market dropped further, taking out this previous higher lows, right, taking it out. Now market is now pushing. We now need to be careful. If EURJPY goes ahead and push down to the extent it breaks this lows, definitely EURJPY will drop to level 159. if it does that, if it breaks this level here, this level you can see this higher lows, and this, what we like call it, this could be the first lower lows here. We just need a confirmation, because if it does not happen, EURJPY very much likely to continue the movement to the upside. But if it case it's actually find some rejection here and thereby drop and give us a new lower lows, then definitely that will be our confirmation. Then we can now be looking to take the sell on EURJPY. Right now, we are still at the post time. We are still at the speculation. And by the way, market just opens. This is Monday. Market just opens, so we still need some. Let market plays out on Monday and give us some confirmation between Tuesday and Wednesday. Then we can now give direction on what we should be expecting. I'm going to give you guys an update, by the way. So follow us on Telegram if you are yet to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So, like I said, if you take a look at this here, also, this can be seen as a double top. You can see double top here, and we've gotten kind of like a change of character around this level here. So with that move, we need to be very, very careful around there, because there is possibility that this is just like a correction whereby markets will start, dropping more for this week.